Welcome to my channel Zee Tech Media. My name is Zee, and in this video I'll give you a brief description what my newly started channel is about. So I plan to do two things on this channel. So number one, I plan to do product reviews on this channel. Don't worry, I won't be reviewing bananas on this channel. I've got this crazy habit of buying stuff from Amazon, so I'll be buying things, reviewing it, and I'll give you my opinion on it, and I really hope this brings value out to the viewers. So I've already created some videos for product reviews. The links are in the description. Make sure you check it out. So the second thing what I plan to do on this channel is bring you guys hacks and tricks for gadgets. So what I mean by that is, for example, the camera I use is Canon EOS M3, and there's no place to install shotgun mic on it without blocking the screen. So I've installed the way I've installed the shotgun mic on it. That's a trick hack. So I'll be making these type of videos and different things what I on the way as I explore things I will be sharing with you guys. Another example is, for example, I've got this famous DJ Osmo Pocket, and I'm sure a lot of people have issues with connecting their old like Samsung phones with micro USB input. So I found one. I tried few connectors, and then I found one connector which converts the USB-C type connector to a micro USB, which enables us to connect our old micro USB phones to DJ Osmo Pocket. It's just an example. So I've already made a video for you guys showing the hack for shotgun mic on Canon EOS M3, installing shotgun mic without blocking the touch screen. So make sure you check that. The link is in the description. So again, I will try my best to create value for my viewers. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the ring icon on this side so you get notified with my future videos. Until next time, take care.